Welcome back to another comprehensive review session of Revolut. Revolut continues to be a popular digital banking app, offering a range of financial services including international money transfers, budgeting tools, cryptocurrency trading, and more. It's widely used for its convenience, low fees, and innovative features. Account management. Multi-currency accounts. Revolut allows users to hold and exchange multiple currencies at competitive exchange rates, making it ideal for frequent travelers and expatriates. Revolut Junior. A feature designed for children, allowing parents to set up and manage accounts for their kids, teaching them financial responsibility from a young age. Trading and investments. Cryptocurrency trading. Users can buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Revolut has expanded its crypto offerings and introduced new features for crypto enthusiasts. Stock trading. Revolut also offers stock trading services, allowing users to buy and sell shares of companies with low fees and no commission on certain trades. Budgeting and spending. Budgeting and analytics. The app provides detailed spending insights and budgeting tools, helping users manage their finances more effectively. Categories and automated insights make tracking expenses easier. Subscription management. Revolut offers a feature to manage and track subscriptions, helping users avoid unexpected charges and manage recurring payments. Insurance services. Travel insurance. Revolut offers travel insurance that covers medical expenses, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. Device insurance. The app also provides device insurance for smartphones and other gadgets, protecting users against accidental damage or theft. Fees and pricing. Standard plan. Revolut's basic plan offers free services, but some features, like international transfers beyond certain limits, incur fees. Premium and metal plans. Premium and metal plans come with additional benefits such as higher withdrawal limits, lounge access, and lower fees for certain transactions. Customer support. Support channels. Revolut offers customer support through in-app chat, email, and a dedicated support hotline for premium users. Common issues. Some users have reported issues with customer support, particularly regarding delays in resolving problems and account freezing for security checks. Security and privacy. Security measures. Revolut employs robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, biometric login, and advanced fraud detection systems. Privacy policies. The app follows strict privacy policies to protect user data, complying with GDPR and other international data protection regulations. User feedback. Positive feedback. Users appreciate the seamless international transfers and competitive exchange rates. The budgeting tools and spending insights are frequently praised for helping manage personal finances. The addition of new features and continuous updates are seen as a strong point. Negative feedback. Some users have experienced issues with customer support and delays in resolving problems. Account freezing for security checks has been a concern for a small number of users. Conclusion. Revolut remains a strong contender in the digital banking space in 2024. It's especially suitable for tech-savvy individuals, frequent travelers, and those looking for innovative financial tools. However, potential users should be aware of the fees associated with certain services and the occasional customer support issues. That wraps up our detailed review of Revolut. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.